Okay, we're going to do a little video here of a mantis tiller. This thing came in, not running of course, and it's a friend of mine's, so I figured I'll take a look at it, see what I can do. Well, I took a look at it and I cleaned it up, put new fuel lines in, and that didn't do any good. So I ordered a carburetor. Well, you order a carburetor on Amazon, and it doesn't just come as a carburetor. Oh my gosh, it's a complete tune-up kit. It has spare primer ball, it has the whole 9 yards in there, and the fuel lines. I already did the fuel lines, so we're not using them. That was easy, you just pop it out and pop it in. Air filter, spark plug, the whole 9 yards. So we're just doing a carburetor, and I'll throw a spark plug in because I already did the fuel lines. So very simple, easiest ones to do, just about that you can do. Now when you take these screws out, there's a little spacer thing in here. You gotta make sure it stays in here. It's for the choke. Okay, let's see where it is. Yes, just leave this all together like that, because there's a little spacer in there that everybody loses. So we'll set this down. We'll pull this up a little bit and get the throttle out of it, and there it is, hanging on the lines. Now, we'll try this new HIPA, H-I-P-A carburetor. It's a Amazon deal. Very nice and cheap to buy. Uh-oh, that's not good. The piece came out of the carburetor in this one. I'm getting it. There we go. Hook up this line. Hook up that line. Like I said, it's very simple. You just hook up the two lines. Oh, we could even prime it right now. Oh yeah, look at that. Now the other carburetor wouldn't even prime. It was so beat. And that only kit also comes with new gaskets, of course. So let's do a gasket. It's the one with the holes. Like that. So we'll put the screws through. As I said, I leave this together so you don't lose that little piece. Okay, now we can put this back in there. Actually, let's do the throttle. This only goes in one way, so. Okay, it's in there, and my phone is ringing. Hello? Okay, fix that. Now this thing is all primed up. And it hadn't run in a while, but like I said, I put new fuel line on. You gotta make sure the choke works when it's tightening. Uh-oh. Yeah, still works good. Okay. So we choke it. It's already primered, but we'll hit it again. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Make sure it's all on. Okay. running a little funky, but we're getting there. You gotta play with it a little bit. You get a little rich, you get a little lean. Oh, it's too lean. We're getting it. I cannot get them to totally stop. I wonder if it's a bad clutch. I wonder if this thing has a bad clutch, but we'll have to check into that. Okay, so that is how we tune a mantis. So this one's your low, that one's your high, and of course that's your choke, that's your throttle. We got her running pretty good, I think, for a mantis. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed this.